Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video, I am going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty sewing craft ideas. These are very stunning and very beautiful sewing ideas for you guys. So viewers, I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. So viewers, if you want different other craft videos on my channel, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos about these craft work. These are very unique and these are very stunning sewing ideas for you guys. And you must watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of craft work at home. Follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all. And you must subscribe my channel and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. Follow for more details. These are very amazing, very unique and very pretty collection for you guys. Hope so you enjoyed this video, and Keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos, guys. Follow for more details. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, guys.